Now I've just wrapped up some work. Let's start with the fresh produce. If you know me at all, you know that I love grocery shopping. But today there is one new variant in it. Then I'll just forget about it. And when the package arrived, so I just added some roasted chickpeas. Thank you, Evie. That today we are heading out for a dinner date.
And I am pairing it with some Mentos and my white Air Force One.
Guys, this place is totally packed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tarasha. I live in Gurgaon and I make lots of productivity and lifestyle content. I share all things life, motivation, not so good moments, and just my day-to-day life. So if any of that is your jam, definitely hit the subscribe button. I would love to have you here. Welcome to a weekend in my life vlog. It's Saturday afternoon. It's around 1 p.m. and I've had a very productive morning. Honestly, it has been a very busy morning, so I did not get a chance to vlog anything earlier. But yeah, right now I've just wrapped up some work. You know how serious I am with my content nowadays, but I still need to catch up on some work later in the day. Anyway, happy Saturday. I hope whenever you're watching, you're having a great week or weekend. So today is gonna be a pretty chill day at home, but tomorrow Avi and I will be heading out for a dinner date. I am pretty excited for it. But for now, I thought I'd show you guys what I'm up to. I just ordered some groceries through Modern Bazaar and I just received them. So let's head to the kitchen and I will show you guys what I got. Alright guys, I just cleared my counter space and laid them all out so that I can give you a quick rundown of what I got. So let's start with the fresh produce. So I got some raw papaya for papaya paranthas. If you haven't had them yet, you need to try it. They are so good. And then I got a zucchini, some cherry tomatoes. The best part is you get the quantity as per your requirement. Then I got an avocado, some lettuce for salads, wraps and everything, some kettle cooked chips, and then these fine cheese chips as well. I like to have them with hummus or even in my salads. And then I got some Dairy Craft Bocconcini cheese. I really love to add this in my sandwiches or even on my wraps. And then I got this spinach tortilla wraps. I expected them to be more green, but yeah, this is what I got for my wrap situation. And then I also wanted to try these taco shells from Tex-Mex. These are 12 taco shells and these are in the mini size. I do not know, maybe I'm in a very Mexican mood nowadays. I also got this original olive hummus from Wingreens. I really like this variant and I use it again in my wraps or even on burgers. I am a fan of dressings, hummus, anything, like you name it, and I'll put it anywhere, like in my wraps, in my burgers, on my sandwiches, anything. Like I think my favorite thing is any sauce, dip, hummus, spread. I just love them. And then from the ready to eat section, I got chili paneer and also soya tikka. I really like to add this to my wraps. This makes it so filling, plus their quality is really good. And then I got these two raw orange juices. So that is all that I got. Guys, if you know me at all, you know that I love grocery shopping, but today I did not have it in me to go out and grocery shop. I wanted to prioritize my work today, so I ordered this stuff online. I think if I went in person, I could have done better, but I'm still glad I got all of this stuff. This makes my life a little bit easy. Also, because nowadays it's getting hotter and hotter, it is becoming difficult for me to stand in the kitchen in front of the stove in so much heat. Also, we got an alert for a heat wave in 48 hours. So I am genuinely worried. But yeah, I hope this will come handy and will sort my meals for the week. It is around 4:30 p.m. and I just finished filming some short form content, and yeah, now I'm gonna go back to my desk and edit, and I think that is what I'm gonna do most of this evening. I just wanted to say hi, but I think I will talk to you guys when I'm prepping my dinner. So AB is making me a second cup of coffee because I'm tired and I'm so glad. Thank you, AB. Alright, you guys, it is 7 p.m. and I am nowhere done with my work, but I'm too exhausted. Also, AB and I are super hungry, especially me because I did not have my lunch today. I just had a toast as a snack while working because I honestly did not get time today to eat. But now I need to prep some dinners. So what I'm gonna do is open up these spinach wraps and just whip up a quick and easy dinner. I think I'm gonna stuff it with some lettuce and the veggie patties that I always meal prep and keep it in my freezer for nights like these. And I'm not honestly sure what I wanna have on the side. Like, I'm confused between a side salad or the kettle chips that I got. Like, I want to have some salad, but I do want to have something crunchy. Let's see. I'll update you on that. Alright, guys, the dinner is ready and I can't wait to have it. Let me show you. So here's my wrap and I decided on the side salad. I know I wanted something crunchy, so I just added some roasted chickpeas on top of it. And guys, the wrap, I mean, this is so good. I just can't wait to dig in. I think I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow now. I will have my dinner, wash my face, get into my comfy pajamas, and then I'm gonna work. Or maybe I'll get up early tomorrow morning and then sit down to work. I'm not sure what I'll do, but I still have some tasks on my hand that I really need to complete by tomorrow, like evening tops, because as I mentioned earlier in this vlog, AB and I are planning to go out for dinner, so I really want to finish all of my things before that. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys tomorrow. Hi you guys, as you saw, it's already 11:45, so I am barely qualified to say good morning and happy Sunday. In my defense, I woke up pretty early today. I woke up at around 5:30 a.m. and by 6:30, 6:45 I was already working. Last night I prioritized my sleep and I promised myself that I would get up early in the morning and finish the YouTube video. And now I can finally say that it's done, it's up. It will go live at 3:30 p.m. I know waking up this early on a Sunday is not for everyone, but if you know me, you know that I like to start my day pretty early. I love having the quiet time to myself, so I had my black coffee and then I sat down to work. But I'm glad I did that. Like, it's half day and I'm done. I'm finished with everything, every little task. I think I already mentioned when I started this vlog that today we are heading out for a dinner date. I'm so excited to head out, and clearly I'm in my PJs from last night. I haven't taken a shower yet, but I am gonna do that in a while. I just had my coffee, so I just wanna wait for like 20-30 minutes, and then I think I'm gonna take a long shower and relax for a bit, have my lunch, I did not cook anything, but fortunately I have some leftovers. I do not have to cook tonight. My videos up before the deadline, like my own designated deadline, so I'm pretty happy with how everything worked out today. So yeah, I'm gonna go relax for a bit, and I think I'm gonna see you when I get ready. So guys, I received these two packages from Amazon and let's unbox them together. I know for sure what's inside this one, but I'm having a hard time remembering what is this, like what did I order. This happens to me all the time. Like I will place an order for something really basic that I need in my day-to-day life, and then I'll just forget about it, and when the package arrives I have no clue what's inside it. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. So I ordered these makeup clips, like which you put on your hair like this, so that your hair is not in your face when you are doing your makeup. So yeah, I got a pack of these. And the next thing I have are these okra seeds or the bhindi seeds. I really want to have bhindi which is homegrown, because I came across a post that mentioned that bhindi or okra is one of those vegetables which has the highest amount of pesticide in it, and I was shocked. AV loves his bhindi. He can have it any day, every day. So I thought of growing it in my balcony. Speaking of growing things in your balcony, I don't think so I've shown it to you guys, but I do have a capsicum plant in my balcony along with the basil plant, and in the morning I plucked 2 capsicums, so let me show you. So these are the homegrown capsicums. Can you see the size? Guys, no matter how much fertilizer I put in, this is the original size of the vegetables that you grow in your home, and we get a gigantic sized capsicum from outside. And to be honest, I am not sure if that is organic or not, but I know that this is organic. I grew these at home. So yeah, that is what my mindset was behind ordering these seeds. So I promise if I am able to grow these, I will show it to you in one of my vlogs, maybe in the hot summer days around June, July. But because I think it'll take a lot of time to grow these, I think it took me 6-7 months to have full grown capsicums from that plant that I planted, and I just used the seeds from a cut up capsicum. That's it. Also, did you know that if you leave this capsicum on the plant as it is for n number of days, it'll turn red? It really did. I did have a red capsicum which was grown in my balcony, and it had the same sweetness of a red capsicum that you might get in any of your grocery stores. I found it to be super interesting. I do not know why, but I always thought that green capsicums are different and red capsicums are grown differently. They are whole another breed, but that's not it. But I was out of my capsicums. I needed for everything, my wraps, my sandwiches, even when I'm making uttapams at home. So I plugged them. I did not wait for them to get red. But yeah, I thought of sharing this with you. Now I think I better go and take a shower, because I'm just wandering around the house and doing stuff, when in actuality I need to take a shower. Alright guys, I am all dressed and ready to go. So I'm wearing this very pretty pink and white striped Zara shirt that I got on my birthday, and I am pairing it with some mom jeans and my white Air Force Ones, because it's hot and it's Delhi and you need to be comfortable. You never know how much you end up walking, so I wanted to go with a comfortable vibe. And while I was getting ready, I remembered that I needed to stock up on my bread situation for the week. So I went on Zomato and placed my sugar and spice order. You know I love everything sugar and spice. So here's what I got. First of all, I got a pack of 4 American bagels. I was craving bagels today a lot, but as you know, I had a pretty busy day and I just couldn't think about food. But yeah, I want to have it tomorrow, so I got this. And then my favorite sourdough is from Sugar and Spice, so I stocked up on it as well. And now I think we're gonna leave. So yeah, I'm gonna see you in some time. Guys, it is too hot today, so I'm gonna carry this clock clip in my bag with me. Now finally, let's go. Alright guys, we are almost here and I am making a quick stop at H&M. So if you saw me wearing my PJs like the pink and white striped with red hearts, it's from H&M and I really love it, and I cannot find it anywhere online. There is one more variant in it which is in blue color, but the thing is I bought it a long time ago, I think in December, so I'm not even sure if I'll get it. So even if I end up not finding it, I am still gonna search for a good night suit at H&M. So fingers crossed, and let's go and let's see if we are able to find one. Guys, butter yellow is the color of the season. So guys, we ended up going to Yeti and the food was really good, but now we are heading out to Tan Coffee. So there it is, we are about to go to Tan Coffee. I know you're not supposed to have coffee this late, but I can't skip on it, so let's go. I'm not sure if we are having it inside or taking it away. Guys, the place is totally packed, so we are taking the coffee to go. I ordered iced pistachio latte and I'm excited to have it. I had it back in Dubai and it was so good, so let's see how it compares. And I think after grabbing the coffee, I'm gonna end this vlog here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
गुड
Good?
इट्स गुड मतलब जो कह रहा था वो बहुत मीठी है, वो है नहीं.
Acha? Okay. Now it's my turn to taste it. Okay. It's so different from the one we had in Dubai, right?
दैट वाज वे मच बेटर.
That was creamier. Okay, it's good but not that mind-blowing. I think we had a better one in Dubai. Like, it was so creamy, I still remember it, and it was from this cafe called Cafe Nero in Dubai Mall. Oh my god, it is so good.
बट आफ्टर टेस्ट इज गुड.
Ah. Okay. Alright guys, and with that I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me during this weekend. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.